Hello everyone, this is Sandeep. Welcome back to my channel. In today's topic, I am going to show you how to mount a plant on a tree trunk. So let's begin. Before starting, I would like to share with you some beauties of my village. She has just laid this egg. Here I take this plant. This is a oncidium, and I take to mount this plant. Look at this. I just divide this plant from a big bunch, and some basic steps you should know. At first you should cut off the dead or black roots, or cut off any dead part of this plant. This was a pseudobulb, back bulb, and it's dried out, so I will cut this dry old pseudobulbs. And one more thing, that when you divide a plant to mount anywhere, so you should take at least 3 to 4 bulbs. I prefer 4 to 5 bulbs. You can see here, this one is a bunch. It's a small bunch, and here some back bulbs, and here 1 2 3 4 bulbs and 2 back bulbs. Here no leaves, you can see. So I prefer 4 to 6 pseudo bulbs to mount or divide any plant. So I will mount this whole plant on a tree trunk like this, and I am taking some things. You can see this is cotton thread, and I will take these coconut chips for maintain humidity for initial stage, to maintain some humidity in initial stage only. And you should cut some roots that are already dried, or any black part of roots. Clean it. And one more thing I want to show you, that this is a ideal bunch to mount or pot any plant. But when you see like this, when I was dividing, then it was broken in a small division. So here you can see 2 small bulbs are there. So it is not a good and ideal division. So I have to mount this, but it is not a ideal division, because here only 2 pseudo bulbs are there. It is not strong as much as this bunch, because it has already 9 to 10 pseudo bulbs and some back bulbs also. So you can see this plant is more stronger than this. Have a look this plant. I mounted this plant just 1 year back, and there was 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 3 4 bulbs when I divided this plant. Then this was 4 pseudo bulbs, and now 1 pseudo bulb is a leading pseudo bulb. You can see it's a new growing pseudo bulb, and it's a leading pseudobulb you can see. And I want to mount this division at this place, this surface. So at first tie the cotton thread. First of all, you should tie cotton thread and take some coconut chips and you should tie at first coconut chips. Now I am going to place this plant on tree trunk like this. This one is leading pseudobulb. You can see roots are healthy, green. I watered this just now. So I want to set this plant like this trunk. I set first the coconut chips and I want to set on it this like this. And tie this plant like this, not too tightly, just it can hold the plant. I am using wet coconut chips mainly for two reasons. It will supply initial moisture on the roots to overcome stress during its time of attaching to the host plant, and coconut chips will decompose quickly as it's natural. And I want to mount together this small division on the same place. So mount is completed. You can see you should moist roots for 2 to 3 weeks, first 2 to 3 weeks. And now it is raining here, so I think there will be no problem for water. It's a hybrid oncidium and it need a bright sunlight like Cattleya level. So I mounted this plant on upper side of the tree trunk, and this is southwest facing, and it will get good amount of sunlight. So I mount on this surface. This is the southwest side. This side is shaded by tree branches, you can see. So if you want to repot any plant or mount any plant, you choose rainy season. This is the ideal time that plant can produce new growths, new roots also. So choose July, August is the right time for you. Water is important to your oncidium. Water your oncidium when active growth is growing. So this time this plant need a good amount of water. Oncidium has pseudobulbs, so they can store water their pseudobulbs into their pseudobulbs, so they should never be overwatered. They can tolerate dry media well than wet media. After mounting, keep the media moist for few weeks. After initial time is over, check the medium, and when it is dry, then give water. That's all for today. Hope you like this video. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thanks for watching. Have a nice day.